Hi guys, I have the newest Create and Inkspire card kit and let's open it together. And I'm feeling giddy because I have a lot of unboxing to do today with you. So, welcome to Happy World Card Making Day. I'm not going to be doing any videos of card making today, but I'll be doing a bunch of unboxing. So the first thing we get is a sweet treat. It's a Haribo gummy bears, and this is from Germany. But fun fact, gummy bears were invented in 1922 and were delivered to customers by bicycle. The green gummy bears are actually strawberry flavored. Huh, I didn't know that. My favorite is the clear, which is kind of a pineapple-y. So this is the September 2020 card kit. And I've been waiting for this because I need to make a bunch of Halloween cards. I'll have another video later making cards using the kit. So it always comes in this pretty blue tissue paper, which I keep and use for other things. So let's open it up. There are add-ons again for this month, but I didn't get any. So it comes with... Sorry, I'm going to be reading. Haunted Greetings 3x4 stamp set, which says trick or treat, boo, have a spooktacular day, have a witch and good Halloween, and happy Halloween. And there's a 4x6 stamp set called Haunted, and it's like all the accessories for Halloween. A witch's hat, coffin, which says rest in peace, but you could use that separate. It might be a separate stamp, but if not, you don't have to ink that up and just use it separate. A spider web, which would be cool when you emboss it. Cauldron, jack-o'-lantern, a candle, spooky looking candle, and a witch's broom. Super cool. And 3D foam squares. It looks like this one is not the super, it's the squares, but it's not the super fat one. Thick one. So I'm excited to use that. I'm always using foam tape. I am super excited about this from Pear Blossom Press, Easy Light. And it comes with one light. Let's open it up so you can see what it is. I like that it comes in this bag. I don't know if it's supposed to come in this like bag, but I will definitely be reusing that, recycling that. But it comes with a battery and has a paper inside, so you don't waste the battery. And it comes with 3 lights. So I am super excited about using this. So definitely stay tuned. And it comes with 2 cardstocks, which is the exact same thing, one in black background and one with a white background. I heard that these can be foiled, so I will be doing that for this one. I don't think I'll do it for this one because there's too much black, but we'll see, maybe. So again, stay tuned. And this is a super cute Halloween shaker bits, and it has, let's see if it says what's inside. Nope, it doesn't say exactly what's inside, but I'm excited to dig into this. I guess we can open it up. And so it has pumpkins and bats and clear sequins and the skull and bones. Happy Halloween. Is that it? Am I missing anything? Nope, that's it. Super, super fun. So I will put that back in when I get a chance. It comes with, sorry for the dogs barking. It comes with one piece of vellum. It looks like it's thin vellum. So I'm just going to put that on the side so that I don't lose any of those precious bits. And it also comes with my favorite cardstock, which is the Solar White Nina Classic Crest 80 pound. That's perfect for layering and Copic coloring. And it comes with 2 pieces of black cardstock, and this is nice and thick. So this will come in handy for card bases. Okay, thanks. I'm gonna shut off as the dogs are barking up a storm. Thanks guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. See you later, bye.